Hello guys, welcome to today's session. And as we said earlier on, I'm going to teach you how to create an Exness account and how to connect it to your MetaTrader. So now, all you need to know is Exness is a broker or a platform which serves as a bank between the market and you. So you deposit into the broker platform, then you can start trading, making profit and withdrawing, right? Without wasting much time, let's get into it. So first of all, you go into your search engine. You go into the search engine, Google search engine, then you type Exness sign up. So you just select the first link that shows up, right? So this is it. Exness sign up for free. Okay. So now we are on the Exness platform. So all you do is you start by registering. So for those who have problems with the whole process, so I'll be dropping the link in the description below so you can register and get verified quickly. So the next thing you are going to do is you are going to enter your country right here in this space. As you can see, you type your country in the space provided. So secondly, you enter your mail. So there's a partner code attached to the link I placed in the description. You can paste it right here so your account gets verified very easily. Then after, you click on continue. Okay, so we are done creating the accounts, right? So now you have an option here whether to create a demo account or a real account. You have an option whether to create a demo account or a real account. So with this video, let's create a demo account. It's the same procedure you use for the real account. So let's continue. So you can see here, after creating, my demo account has been deposited with $10,000. That's for my demo. So you can top up by clicking on this button. So as you can see right here, there's real. This shows that this you can create a real account right from here. So when we click on this, this is now our real account with 0.000 US dollar. This our demo account, this our real account. You can trade with this, you can practice with this, backtest with this. So I recommend you reduce the money in the demo account to something like $100 so you can be realistic with the results. So when you click on this, you can see a dashboard where you can hide your balance so you don't show the amount of money you have, right? Also, what you can do is also to top up. You can top up an amount of $1,000 to the amount given in the demo account. Okay, so as you can see, there's deposit right here at the top, and your current balance is 0.00 US dollar. So this shows you have nothing in your account. So from here, this way you can deposit and this way you can withdraw, right? So if you want to make a deposit into the account, you tap on the deposit and it sends you right here. So from here, you can see there are various options below. There are various options below. So the reason why you can see unavailable, unavailable, unavailable is because I've not verified the account yet. Though we've created the account, we've not verified it. So what we are going to do is we are going to verify the account. So from here, you tap on the complete profile, then you confirm your account. You confirm your account. So they are going to send you a code in your email. So I have my email on my phone, so I'll just log in then check. Okay. So my code is 478001. So we are done verifying our email. So the next thing we do is to confirm our number. So you tap on confirm phone. Then you tap on continue. So a code will be sent to my number. A code will be sent to my number. Okay. So the last step is to add the profile information. Then complete now. The next thing we do is we fill in our first name, last name, date of birth, residential address. Then we select whether we are a male, female, or other. So I'm going to do this now. So now we submit. So now you are all set. So for 14 days, you can deposit up to 500 US dollars and trade. After that, you will be asked to verify your identity. So you can either verify your identity now or deposit, because now the options have been open to you. So now you can deposit and trade. Now from here you upload your identification document. So you upload the front and the back of your document as sampled right here. If you have any difficulties, you can write that in the comment section. So after you submit, I'm done with the verification. Now we can deposit and start trading. So as you can see, now all the deposit options have been opened and made available to us. So now you can deposit by Binance Pay, mobile money, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, your bank cards, Ethereum, and many more, right? So now we are done with this procedure. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.